Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to take a look at some Takis meat sticks. Saw these at Walmart the other day. They were half price, manager special. So I love the Takis chips that, not supposed to eat. So I figured I'd try some meat sticks. So let's see how these things are. Just for those of you that are interested in the numbers, 2 sticks is 130 calories, 11 grams of fat, 2 grams of carbs, 1 gram of fiber. So 2 sticks is 1 gram, so half a gram each. Pretty good. Pretty good. They definitely, excuse me, got a little heat there. Yeah, it says that it actually includes citric acid and ascorbic acid and lime oil and lime juice. So that's where you get that citrusy kick. So it's pretty good. You don't get a lot of hot meat sticks will have like a vinegary flavor because they've got like that same kind of, hot sauce thing. But these definitely went in more with the lime side. And yeah, I give these things a straight up 10. These are easily some of the best meat sticks I've ever had. And again, I don't know why they were on sale for half price, because the best by date isn't till next summer. So it's not like they were expired or anything, or even getting that way. So anyway, if you can find these and you like spicy food, man, pick yourself up some Takis. So with that, thanks for watching. Have a great day.